right now. Cause chasing it makes me go lose my purpose. My purpose. My purpose. My purpose. My purpose.
Find out, heard it from a friend that you spent and you're running out. Have we met? Heard it from a friend. Told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been months since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming.